Understanding Budgeting Tools, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term budgeting tools. Understanding this concept is essential, especially if you're dealing with finances or planning your expenses. Let's dive in and make sense of what budgeting tools are all about. Budgeting tools refer to methods or software used to manage income and expenses. They help in creating a budget, which is a plan for how to spend money. This can include tools like spreadsheets, apps, or even simple pen and paper lists. The key purpose of these tools is to organize financial information and plan spending wisely. There are several types of budgeting tools available. 1. Spreadsheets, Excel or Google Sheets where you manually track income and expenses. 2. Mobile apps, convenient apps like Mint or YNAB that automatically track your spending. 3. Envelope system, a physical method where you allocate cash to envelopes for different spending categories. Each type has its own advantages, and the choice depends on what you find easiest and most helpful. Budgeting tools offer several benefits. Control over finances. They give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Help in saving money. By monitoring expenses, you can identify areas to cut costs. Achieving financial goals. They assist in setting and reaching savings goals, like buying a car or saving for a vacation. To make the most of budgeting tools, keep these tips in mind. Be consistent. Regularly update your budget. Be realistic. Set achievable goals and budgets. Review and adjust. Periodically check and modify your budget as needed. I hope this video has helped you understand what budgeting tools are and how they can assist you in managing your finances. Remember, choosing the right tool and using it effectively is key to successful budgeting. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!